Melons, originating from the African continent, have spread across the globe and are cultivated worldwide. In today's video, we'll take you through the complete process, starting from planting and spanning through to the various stages of processing. In agriculture, seeds undergo initial planting and early growth stages within a greenhouse, benefiting from controlled conditions to foster healthy development. After about 5 weeks, these seedlings are transplanted to their intended growing environment. Plastic mulch serves to conserve soil moisture by acting as a barrier that hinders evaporation. Specifically, it protects the soil from losing moisture through evaporation, leaving only the exposed soil in the holes where the vegetable plants are growing, susceptible to water loss. Indeed, the use of plastic mulch results in increased moisture retention in the surrounding soil, making more water accessible to plant roots. Consequently, this can reduce the necessity for frequent watering of the growing crops. Moreover, research conducted by NDSU, North Dakota State University, revealed that the application of clear plastic mulch expedited the growth of melons. Certainly, the use of clear plastic mulch warms soil temperatures, which in turn accelerates the growth of plants, enabling them to ripen earlier than usual. In showcasing exemplary work, the harvesters at Marsal SCA in St. Germain, Delaware, Maryland exhibit remarkable expertise. When it comes to harvesting melons, it's recommended to pick them when small cracks start appearing in the stem where it joins the fruit. This indicates the melon's readiness for optimal harvesting. When a melon reaches its ideal ripeness, it will easily break off with a slight twist. Melons come in various variants, each exhibiting distinct tastes and appearances. In our upcoming video, we'll showcase several of these variants, highlighting their unique characteristics and flavors. The bright yellow melons showcased here are canary melons, known for their vibrant color and distinctive taste. Interestingly, there are over 50 types of melons cultivated in various regions worldwide, each with its unique attributes. Once harvested, different types of melons undergo varying treatment methods based on their specific characteristics and intended use. The treatment and processing of melons post-harvest often depend on the method of sale to the public. For instance, cantaloupes go through a process where they are placed on conveyor belts, passing through cleaning procedures before reaching the packing stations. At the packing stations, workers are tasked with labeling the fruits and carefully packing them into designated boxes. The packers meticulously sort the melons according to their size, considering how many will fit into each box, and then pack them accordingly to ensure optimal packing density. Certainly, when larger melons, let's say 6 of them, require a designated box due to their size, the workers ensure there's a specific box allocated for accommodating these larger fruits. Simultaneously, they arrange and prepare other boxes tailored to accommodate varying sizes of melons that arrive on the packing table. This meticulous sorting and allocation process ensures efficient and organized packaging for different melon sizes. Unquestionably, cantaloupes earned their name from Cantalupo, Italy, where they were cultivated back in the 1700s. Renowned for their nutritional value, cantaloupes serve as a good source of vitamin C and A. On the other hand, Canary melons are known for their extended storage capabilities due to their hard rind, allowing them to have a prolonged post-vine shelf life compared to other melon varieties. Melons, comprising approximately 90% water content, serve as an excellent hydrating source for the body. Furthermore, they are often prepared by peeling and sold to consumers pre-cut. A semi-automatic peeling machine is aptly designed for processing melons, pineapples, and butternut squash, streamlining the peeling process for these fruits and vegetables. The manual peeler is fed by hand and adept at outer peeling for various fruits, even those that aren't uniformly calibrated or have irregular shapes. On the other hand, an automatic slicer and chunker machine is specifically designed for effortlessly cutting melons into uniform chunks. The operator loads peeled halves of fruits onto a conveyor belt for processing. This machine comprises 2 or 3 cutting stations. The initial station functions as a cutting group resembling a guillotine, primarily used to horizontally slice the fruits. The second and third stations consist of 2 cutting groups equipped with circular blades for further processing. Additionally, the Santa Claus melon is a melon variety originating in Spain, known for reaching approximately 1 foot in length and having an ovoid shape. The Santa Claus melon features a dense, green-striped exterior peel and a pale green to white inner flesh. Known for its subtle melon flavor and a sweetness akin to honeydew melons, it boasts a thick rind reminiscent of toad skin, which accounts for its name in Spanish, piel de sapo. Indeed, for proper storage and transportation, melons require refrigeration to maintain their freshness and extend their shelf life.